Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize affiliate marketing with Kohl's, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To optimize your affiliate marketing with Kohl's, first, create an affiliate account on the Kohl's affiliate program website. Fill in all required information, including your website details and promotional strategies. Once your account is approved, access your affiliate dashboard to find available banners and product links. Choose products that align with your niche and audience preferences for better engagement. Use the product links in your website content, ensuring they blend naturally with your articles or posts. Craft compelling and honest reviews of selected Kohl's products to build trust with your audience. Incorporate seasonal promotions and sales events in your marketing strategies to attract more. Utilize social media platforms to share your Kohl's affiliate links, engaging your followers with creative posts. Consider email marketing to reach out to your audience, promoting special deals and new arrivals at Kohl's. Monitor your analytics to track which products and strategies generate the most conversions. Continuously optimize your tactics based on performance data to improve your results. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and questions about Kohl's products. Stay updated on Kohl's promotions and new product launches to keep your content fresh and relevant. Foster relationships with other marketers and influencers within the Kohl's affiliate network. Experiment with different types of content, like videos or tutorials, to see what resonates best with your audience. By following these steps, you'll enhance your affiliate marketing strategy with Kohl's effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.